We are approaching the lake area now. So let's see. Sarap ng buhay dito. Kita niyo? Ganda, no? Ooh, that's perfect. Sikot natin. Late lang to eh. Hello. Cute ng bird. Hello, bird. Yeah. Cute na. Kulit na anak ko. Andun sa malayo. Caliber dito. So it's not part of the park left. Ay, the lake. But what left? This one. It's the front view. Actually, oh, up. Actually, there's three there. I managed to get a closer look. Sucks against the sun. Sorry, medyo madilim. Anyway, inikot na lang natin itong lake. It's not really that attractive. Pero maraming mga ibon at saka ducks na andito. So it's more on like nga private siya. Hello, there. They're so close. Hi, ducks. Hello. Hello. Hi. Cute, no? Ay, sanay yata to sa tao eh. Ayaw gumalaw. Hindi siya natakot. Pero lang pag dumating yung makulit, sigurado tatalon to. Huwag makulit. Diba? Oh, they're listening to you. Ito yan. Yeah. Huh? Just take a look, ha? Don't move.
The duck's not scared.
So the ducks
I
will...
want to see you. Look, Mom, the duck's not going in the water.
Look, the duck what doing? He's showing his feeder. Stretching.
And that one. Oh, there's more ducks.
Ooh, look, oh, look.
I think if you have a house around here, you never want to snuff.
Look,
That's
Mommy,
true.
ducks.
Then there's another company coming.
Here, ducks. I want to photo you, ducks.
And there's another coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look us.
Are they like you?
I think it's people feeding these birds.
Yeah, there. This
Ducks,
the colorful is a bird that name.
come closer. Look, it's going
I'm
yours.
really not good at remembering names of the birds.
Aww.
This is a Pacific black duck.
Which one? This one? Pacific black duck daw ito. How about the two? This one?
That's a moorhen.
Moorhen.
Look, Mommy.
So moorhen daw yung dalawa.
Mommy, come over here.
They're not moving at all actually. They just
Adrian kept going up to the water's edge before.
Uh,
He's just running off.
it's running off now.
Boys.
It's quiet please. Because the duck want quiet area.
Look, there's more coming.
Yeah, they're talking to each other now.
One says the duck hanging on here. There's no food, there's a noisy shelf as well. Double reason to evacuate the immediate area.
Oh, see? The duck say hi to you, Ian.
Hi, ducks. I want to photo you, ducks.
No, they don't want you to hold them.
I'm trying to remember
Look,
we
there's
saw
more
ducks in
ducks
the Philippines.
coming. More ducks are
It's in the
coming.
pond. There's a panda that have ducks.
Which pond were you? Only thing you've ever experienced if you slip into the water there.
Mommy, this time
They probably prefer this to what we have
ducks, come here. I want
at
a
Harriet's
photo.
Glen.
Think so.
There's a magpie lark.
The magpie want the attention.
Magpie lark won't go into the water. Because it's a landlubber.
They go this way. Daddy, now
I saw a really big insect just before.
how could they get up? Backwards? Oh. Oh, I got to that.
They're coming toward me. Sarap na boy mga ducks, no? Walang problema.
Adrian,